Why preventive maintenance matters more in winter than any other season. Have you ever wondered why HVAC and plumbing problems seem to happen at the worst possible time, right in the middle of winter? When temperatures drop, your home systems work harder than at any other point in the year. Your heating system runs longer, pipes face freezing conditions, and even small issues can turn into major disruptions if they're overlooked. That's why preventive maintenance matters more in winter than any other season. Why winter is different. During colder months, your HVAC system isn't just providing comfort, it's protecting your home and your family. A furnace that hasn't been properly maintained may struggle to keep up, run inefficiently, or shut down when you need it most. At the same time, plumbing systems are under stress. Freezing temperatures can cause pipes to crack, water heaters to work overtime, and minor leaks to worsen quickly. These aren't always sudden failures. They're often the result of small warning signs that went unnoticed. Preventive maintenance is about staying ahead of those problems before they turn into emergencies. A professional HVAC inspection ensures your system is operating safely, efficiently, and reliably throughout the winter. It helps identify worn components, airflow issues, or combustion concerns, protecting both comfort and safety. Plumbing maintenance plays the same critical role. Checking insulation on pipes, inspecting water heaters, and addressing minor leaks can prevent costly water damage and unexpected system failures. Winter already brings enough challenges: weather delays, busy schedules, holiday gatherings. The last thing any homeowner wants is uncertainty about their home's comfort. Preventive maintenance offers peace of mind. It means knowing your systems are prepared, your home is protected, and your family stays comfortable no matter how cold it gets outside. What homeowners can do now: scheduling routine inspections, addressing small issues early, and trusting experienced professionals can make all the difference during winter. It's not just about fixing problems, it's about preventing them altogether. At Tempo Air, our employee owners believe comfort starts with preparation. Every inspection, every recommendation, and every visit is focused on protecting what matters most: your home and your peace of mind. Because when your systems are cared for properly, winter doesn't have to bring stress, just warmth, comfort, and confidence.
Visit our YouTube channel for more information. If you need help with your HVAC or plumbing system this season, you can contact us calling the number on the screen or visit our website, tempoair.com. Tempo Air Employee Owner Care More.